What we have here, ladies and gentlemen, are the fakest of fake exhaust pipes. They look real, but no. Fake diffuser, fake air vent, and worst of the worst, fake exhaust. Oh dear, look, no, no, no. And then there's the false exhaust pipe. Look, that doesn't go anywhere, pointless and ugly. These exhausts are fake. Fake, fake, these here, fake. In fact, the exhaust pipe is just underneath there like that. In fact, it's almost as ridiculous as this new carwow stick of truth. Fake, 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 and fake. But what about the exhaust? Well, for that, I'm going to use the new carwow staff of truth. Yes, I'm a little bit like Gandalf of Lord of the Rings, but look, yes, there is an actual exhaust pipe there, which is good.